Hi guys, it's me, Miss Guajardo. I know it's been a while since I made you a video, but I wanted to come back on and share a couple of things with you before school's over. It's so close. We are almost there. We are literally at the end of the road. First thing first, I'm posting this on a Saturday. I know it's a Saturday and it's not a school day, but I wanted to make sure that you have everything ready to go for this week, because this week is a very important week. So first thing I want to look at is, I'm just going to click on this class because it's here. Sorry, it's thunderstorming outside, so you're going to hear some thunder. This announcement that I put out yesterday, or I guess the day before now, I think there's some confusion on the I'll Fetch Her Tomorrow selection test. So what I'm talking about here is, if you go to classwork and you come down to here on week 5, we did the I'll Fetch Her Tomorrow assignment, and then here's the I'll Fetch Her Tomorrow selection test. So this is first period, and you can see where almost half of you have not done this. That's not a ghost, that was my dog. Please don't be afraid. I'm going to shut the door though. Sorry. So the selection test, I have the due date put on there as May 29th, because what happens is when y'all don't do your work, and it's connected to the textbook, I then have to go back and I have to write down everybody who didn't do it. Then I have to go back to the textbook and I have to reassign it to just those people who didn't do it, and then put another due date on it. And then from those people who didn't do it, I have to go back and do it again. So what makes it easier is if I just put out a really far due date. So what I did was I chose the last Friday of May to make it due. However, that was before they made the announcement that we wouldn't have any assignments past May 22nd. So I'm really afraid that some of you are going to not get this turned in, and you're going to have to do a final exam because you didn't do this assignment. So get it done. Please get it done. Which brings me to the exciting news of, I'm going to post our last week's assignments. Well, one of them, the actual reading passage and questions. I'm going to post those today, Saturday, for you to start on, so that you have extra time to work on them, because I usually make things due on Sunday, but because everything needs to be turned in by Friday the 22nd, I want to make sure that you have those extra couple of days that you're not getting by having it due on Friday. So, expect that tonight. Sorry, that's my cat, also not a ghost. I just have a little Zoom going on. That was me not wanting to get up to go to the door. So the stuff needs to be turned in by Friday. So what I'm going to show you now is how to check and see if you have everything turned in. So if you're in your Google Classroom page like this, and you have all your classes here, I happen to be in a class as a student, and so I can show you. This is a teacher professional development I had to do today, and they gave us assignments in here. So if you go to classwork in the middle, right here where it says view your work, if you click on that, you can now see what you have done and what you don't have done. So I'm done. Those assignments are duplicated. However, it's good because I can show you what it looks like if you don't have something turned in. So if it says turned in, you're good. Now make sure that what you've turned in actually has work done on it. If you have turned in something and it's blank, you're going to need to redo it. But it needs to say turned in and have an actual assignment attached to it. But if it says assigned or missing, that means it's not turned in. Now, I know there's some of you who maybe switch back and forth between doing the packets and doing online, and so you might be missing a few things. But if you don't have something, then I've probably told you. I probably said, hey, you don't worry about this assignment. If I haven't specifically said, hey, you, Joe Smith, you don't do share your restaurant style menu, then you need to make sure that it says turned in. Does anybody have any problem with this? If so, please send me an email, or write a private comment on one of the assignments, and I'll get it done for you, or I'll get back to you. I won't get it done for you. You have to do the work yourself. Sorry. Yeah, I guess that's it. I'm working right now on making y'all's 8th grade slideshow. So, those of you, I know the deadline for pictures was yesterday, but if you didn't get pictures turned in to me, please send them in as soon as possible, so I can hopefully get you a page in the slideshow. I would hate for you not to be in it. So spread the word. I'm going to try to reach out to some of you who I know haven't turned in pictures, and hopefully get some stuff turned in soon. Other than I'm so sad. I'm super sad about the way this whole thing went down. Like, this is my favorite part of the year. We usually have so much fun. We read a bunch of really cool stories, and, you know, stuff that's really funny and scary, and we do things that we don't do during the regular school year. We watch a couple movies. We have a big 8th grade party on the last day of school. Like, we just had so much stuff planned that I love doing, and we didn't get to do this year. So, I mean, that makes me super sad, but I just want you to know that I do miss you so much. It is very hard to not see your faces every day. Cleaning out my classroom was the worst. But I hope that y'all are well, and I miss you all, and please get your work turned in so you don't have to do a final, because the more of you that turn in work and the less finals that I have to make, it's going to be great. Well, if I can find where to stop recording, I'll stop recording soon. I think this is it, so